In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Chrome guest mode step by step so you can browse privately on a shared computer without saving your history, passwords, bookmarks, or extensions. This is a super useful feature if you're letting someone else use your device, signing into a temporary account, or just want a clean browsing session without affecting your main Chrome profile. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, take a look at the top right corner of the browser window. You should see your profile icon there. This is where Chrome keeps all of your account and profile settings. So click that profile icon to open the profile menu. When the menu appears, you'll see different profile options. What you want to do here is look for the option that says Open Guest Profile. Go ahead and click that. Chrome will then launch a brand new guest mode window. Now that guest mode is open, you can browse the web normally. You can visit websites, watch videos, search for anything you need, and even sign into temporary accounts if necessary. The big difference is that this session is temporary and separate from your main browser profile. That means Chrome is not using your saved bookmarks, it is not loading your browsing history, and it is not pulling in your saved passwords or extensions. This makes guest mode perfect for situations where you want a clean and private browsing experience. For example, if a friend or family member needs to use your computer, guest mode lets them browse without seeing your personal data. It's also helpful if you want to test a website as a fresh user or log into an account without saving anything to your main Chrome profile. Another important thing to understand is what guest mode does not save. It does not keep your browsing history after the window is closed. It does not save cookies once the session ends. It does not remember bookmarks, passwords, or form data. So if you fill out a form or sign into a site, that information will not stay in Chrome after you exit guest mode. That's why this feature is great for privacy and temporary use, but it's not meant to replace your normal Chrome profile. If you want your browsing data to be saved long term, use your regular profile instead. If you want a one-time clean session, guest mode is exactly what you need. When you're finished with browsing, simply close the guest mode window. As soon as you close it, all temporary data from that session is deleted automatically. That means nothing from that guest session should remain on the device. And that's it. You now know how to use Chrome guest mode from start to finish. It's quick, simple, and very useful whenever you want a temporary browsing session on a shared computer. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.